Hi kids, I'm back. So for this week we're going to do some science, and we've done this every single morning at the beginning of class. After we do our calendar, I pull a popsicle stick and we sing our weather song, and then we would color in our weather graph. And I think the last time we did it, sunny was winning. We had a lot of sunny days this school year. So what I want you to do this week is you're going to be recording the weather from Monday all the way to Friday and making a little like graph, not a graph, but a little presentation of it, and then you're going to share it with me. So if you have your packet, they're going to actually give it to you. It's on page 85, and it has a blank space, weather's observations. So you can write your name here. If you don't have it, that's okay. You can just record the weather on a sheet of paper, kind of like I'm going to do in a second. I'm going to show you. So they give you some different options. Is it sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy? I don't think we're going to have any snowy days. It's kind of hot out right now. And then they give you the days of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now I know you guys won't see this video until Tuesday, so that's okay. Just kind of think back, remember what was the weather like on Monday. And then, so if you want to draw what it is, don't forget to write though. They give you a line to write. So if it's sunny, draw a picture of a sun and then write the word sunny. Or if you don't want to draw, they actually gave you little symbols that you can cut them out and glue them onto your chart. And they give you plenty for each one, so you should have enough. Like I said, if you don't have the packet, that's okay. I'm going to show you what Miss Henderson did. So I didn't finish it, but I started and I kind of made it just like the packets. So I left it blank for my name. So first things first, it's always the same. I pick up my pencil and I write my name. Mrs. Henderson. So it says Mrs. Henderson's weather observations. When you observe something, you're using your eyes and you're describing it with your words. So I'm going to look out my window, which I can see right now. So I'm looking out my window and I can see that it's very sunny today. Now, let me put the days of the week first. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're not going to do the weekend. We're just going to do the weekdays, kind of like if we were in school. That's 5 days. So I need 5 spaces. So I drew a big rectangle. I'm going to draw some little lines to make 5 spaces for my 5 weather days. And I'm going to write the days of the week up top. Monday. Now, since these are the days of the week, it's the name of the day, the first letter should be capitalized in all of them because they're names of the days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we're going to stop on Friday. And like I said, just remember what was Monday like. So just, you have to think back, remember. All right, so now I'm going to draw some pictures. And I have markers. You can use crayons, pencils, whatever you have. So tomorrow for the weather, now I'm actually filming this. It's actually Sunday right now, but it's sunny outside. And I checked the weather. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow too. So I'm going to draw a little sun. And then I need to label the word sunny. Sunny. U, N, N, Y. And if you have the packet, it's actually going to tell you, if you look up here, let me show you guys again. Underneath the picture, it has the label. So there's sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, and snowy. So, oh, and don't forget to sing your songs every day. You know the song. I want you to sing it with your parents. Remember? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny, rainy, windy? What's the weather like today? Remember, you gotta look confused, like, what is the weather? So do that confused face. Look out your window, make some observations, and then you're gonna record the weather for the week. And don't forget to label it, and then take a picture of it, send it to me, or you can send me a video of you describing the weather for the week. So I hope you guys have fun. Teach your family the song. You guys all know it, and the little hand movements. Remember, sunny, rainy, windy, and look confused. What's the weather? I love you guys very much. This is the last video I have for you this week, but I'm going to make some more for you next week. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.